Stop guessing what to post on social media. As a Shopify store owner or marketer, you don't have time to stare at the screen for inspiration or the resources for expensive photo shoots. Introducing DataVinci, the AI content generator that creates post copy and images based on customer insights. No need for a human to come up with AI prompts. DataVinci analyzes thousands of social media posts and comments from your brand's customers and top competitors to find out what they actually care about. It then transforms those insights into post-ready captions and stunning brand-aligned visuals. Forget the generic fluff. We give you multiple angles and themes weekly to keep your feed engaging and on point. Use your current Shopify catalog or upload product and model photos so DataVinci shows your authentic products and its creative output. Whether you're creating for Instagram, Facebook, or any other digital platform, you get post-ready content in minutes. Trade guesswork for customer insights and build your brand with confidence and efficiency. Reclaim your time to run your business. That's DataVinci. Install today.